Hello, my name's Don. I'm the Senior Master of the Paddlesteamer Waimarie. Last night we celebrated 20 years since our recommissioning. We had quite a few ex-skippers, people who had been involved with the restoration, and the feeling of moving from one decade into another was rather unique. I personally haven't seen the new year in for some years. Sometimes feel as old as the Riverboat itself, although I'm not quite 120 years old. We rang the bell, the traditional 16 bells, plus we gave a prolonged blast on the steam whistle, which probably woke up these God-fearing people in the surrounding hills. But hey, it's New Year and it comes but once a year. Yeah, a different atmosphere, quite quiet, quite restrained, but lots of talk about how difficult it was to bring her up from the river bottom, the amount of hours that went in to restore her. And although I personally wasn't involved, I've only been associated with the vessel for nearly 7 years. All the history that surrounds me here in the museum and the tales I hear from people have made me realise just what a mammoth task that was. Today being the 1st of January, we've kicked off with one full boatload. We've got another nearly full boatload this afternoon, and hopefully the rest of the season proceeds along these lines. I look forward to the crew and myself enjoying quite a prosperous season, because if we don't have it, then we don't have a riverboat. So let's hope that 2020 and a new decade is a good one.